Hello everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful Pavoni espresso machine. It comes to us with broken steam valve, and this valve and one was all the way there. It seems like it's full from somebody or from high, and it was like really dirty from inside. Straightening this, repair it, and make tune up. I replace the safety valve and back the machine to the life. Let's go ahead and test it, make a espresso shot on it. Perfect shot. Let's test this. The steam one, two. Perfect. This is really nice shot, and it's tasty too. Thank you for watching.